Good evening to you all, dear teachers. Now, as per this Regional Office Mumbai letter, it is informed that NCERT has launched the NISTA project through Diksha portal, and it is mandatory for all the teachers, those who are teaching from class 1 to 8. This is the headquarter letter. Now, here it is mentioned that it is compulsory for all the teachers, including PRT music, HMs, TGTs, TGTWE, art education, physical, health education, librarian, and all the PGTs who are teaching in these classes. So, for this, first of all, you should have the Diksha app. So, for Diksha app, you can download it from the Play Store. This is the Diksha app. You have to install it. Here it is already installed, so it is asking for update. So if you are having this Diksha app already, there is no need to download it again. So total KVS has given 18 18 courses. Here you can see, so dates are also mentioned. So from 16th to 30th October, 3 courses we have to do. So every fortnight you have to do 3 courses. So already these 3 courses have started. You have to register for all these 3 courses together. So first course is curriculum and inclusive education. Second is developing social personal qualities, creating safe and healthy environment, health and well-being in schools. So these are the 3 courses already started from 16th. So we will see how we can register, how to register in this app. So first go to your Diksha app. This is the Diksha app opening. So this is the Diksha app. If you are not registered, you have to register yourself through your mobile number and email ID. So here, if you are having already this Diksha app, you have to update your profile. So on below you can see the last one is profile. So click on this profile. Here you can see your details. So these are the details. You can edit your details. You can add email address. One more thing here it is, you have to go to update. If you are not given the state, mobile number, email address, so you have to update here. There will be a question before that. If you are a teacher, edit your profile. So you can edit the profile from the, if you are a teacher, that question is there. Click on that question. Here, this type of data you will get: state, district, mobile number, email ID, then school and organization name. Here you have to give KVS. You should know the KVS UDIS code and your ID from state. So here you have to give the KV code. Whatever KV code is there, you have to give it here. Okay, this is profile. First of all, you have to update your profile from here. Next, now you have to go to the courses section. So click on these courses. These are the courses already here given here. So go to search. Then in search you have to, first course is our KVS curriculum. So search for KVS curriculum. So this is KVS curriculum inclusive education. Click on it and you can join the course. This is the course and you have to join this course. As it is already I have enrolled in it, so it is showing the activities. Similarly, go for the search for the second course, KVS health. So this is second course, KVS health and well-being in schools. So here there will be option to join the course. You have to join the course here. So join this second course, KVS Health and Wellbeing in Schools. Next is KVS. This is the third course, KVS Developing Personal Social Qualities, PSQ for creating a safe and healthy environment. Click on it. This is the course and you have to enroll it. Here already I have enrolled, so it is stating start learning. So these are the course. After login, these all courses will be shown here. So you have to start from here. You can start any course. So this is the course. After login, it will be shown here, continue learning. So you have to click on this. So these are the different modules. You have to see each module one by one. Already it is, you can see here example, this type of videos you will get. So this is the first module. So module wise there will be different modules. So after doing this, you go to next one. So here option is here, go to next. So you can go to next module. So this is step by step. You can go from one module to another module, and you have to complete it 100%. Here you can see the progress. Here my progress is 77%. So after 100% you will get the certificate. You have to download the certificate. Here you can see in courses. So I have already doing these courses. Here you can see. Then here one more option is there, downloads. So downloads, you can download the materials. I have downloaded some material that is available here. So first, download the Diksha app. Second, update your profile. You should know UDICE number, KB code. In profile, you have to click on I am a teacher. On clicking the option I am a teacher, there you have to update this information: state, district, mobile number, email ID, and one more thing, you have to validate your email ID and mobile number. Validating means you will get one OTP on your email ID. That OTP you have to give it here. So your this email ID will get updated here. Similarly, for the mobile number, they will be asking for OTP number. So here after doing that, you can also update your information. So here you can see all the courses where all these 6 courses here which I am enrolled in. So see this pedagogy of environmental studies. I have completed this course. Similarly, you will get the certificate. See, after completion you can get the certificate. If I click on certificate, my certificate gets downloaded. You can see here. It is downloading. This is the certificate. So similarly, you will get the certificates after completion of all these 3 courses after 30th of this October. So after 13th October, you have to enroll for the next next set of the courses. 3 courses are there. So you have to complete all 18 courses. After completion of all 18 courses, there will be some assessments as per the letter given by NCERT. So first of all, download the Diksha app, update your profile, and join these 3 courses. Thank you very much.